the dangerous world of a man who does not exist. A young loner on a crusade to champion the cause of the innocent, the helpless, the powerless, in a world of criminals who operate above the law.
Melton, mowbray. Few technical issues we've had.
Of course, yeah, we'll come in, yeah.
Going in?
Yeah.
There you go, we've been invited in.
So Mark does all the bookings, I do the sweet talk.
Oh, it worked.
I think it did, don't I? Oh, thank you so much.
Comic Con.
Melton, mowbray.
First time.
Yep. Just got our stamps.
Maybe we should start that way, look. Because we're supposed to go home.
How about the drugs on?
Mushroom, man. The marshmallow, man. Oh, £30 mystery box.
Ooh.
£20 mystery box just to see what we get.
Might have to. And it's a Nintendo one.
Yeah, but I don't want to get a Pokemon one.
Nah, Nintendo or gaming one.
Batman. It's Batman.
Batdad. Batdad.
Yeah, won the competition.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, made the suit.
Did you? Yeah, but you got to put your Batman voice on.
Nice. No, sorry.
Is that good? Oh, that's like a go. Is that what's that? A GoPro thing?
No, that's it.
Yeah, Pocket 3, yeah.
Oh, please.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Captain America. Hey.
Who did?
Cap right there, man.
Yeah.
Where's Bucky at?
I don't like him.
So yeah, we're gonna check this place out.
Yeah, man, let's do this.
Have a proper little ganders around. See what's what. And then hit you guys back up. Oh, it's been a while since we done boys been out and about. Got the knives, man.
Oh, there's Lord of the Rings, Sting.
Loads and loads.
What we got? There's a Riddicks.
Riddicks down there.
No, they're not.
Who's the only thing with this?
Rambo knife.
I was gonna say as well. Huh?
I'm gonna buy the Rambo knife. You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
If it only if it's sharp though. Yeah, it's not gonna be sharp. If it's sharp, then I'm buying that knife.
It's a Rambo blade.
Down there.
They're all slightly different.
two of them.
Like those are strong.
That's Rambo.
That one, yeah.
Crocodile Dundee.
Oh, it's a butterfly knife.
Oh, there's the Rambo 4 knife, look. There, the handmade one, the one he chopped up. Rambo 1 and 2.
If you want the DD one,
Yeah.
choose the bigger one.
Yeah.
But look, there's Riddicks thing.
Yeah, Riddicks.
Yeah, that's it. Riddicks.
There's a Drax, look.
No, they wouldn't. Oh yeah, these are metal ones, sorry.
There's Chucky. And Annabelle.
Yeah, but look what's next to this.
Oh. I wouldn't even want to touch that as a joke.
Yeah. The chicken was quite nice.
For now, do us a good deal on our YouTube page. If anybody needs knives, oh, Thunderbolt, yeah.
I'll do 110 for free.
Alright, we'll take 3.
Yeah, man. And do you have an online?
If I got 3.
Do you have an online shop and stuff? So let us. We can make sure. There you go.
Sword Kings.
Sword Kings.
Yeah, I've seen his website.
If you need anything, memorabilia, this is the place to come.
Zelda's sword.
This is the place to come.
Sting.
Sorry, not enough stock for people. 3 families all arguing and said, well, you served him first, but I stood there first. I've never had people.
That right there is for that Thunderbird.
Look at the Conan swords there as well.
Oh yeah, and Conan.
This one's right. So I've got 3 swords. 2 swords. These 2 got Rambo written on, that one doesn't. Okay.
That is wicked. That is quite inside.
That's the only reason everyone wants it.
Am I alright getting a bit of a close-up of the Thunderbird sword?
Thunderbird?
Yeah, just want to get a close-up of it. Thundercat, sorry. How's that?
Has that got some weight on it then, or is it?
Woo! Do you feel empowered?
And it comes with.
Go on.
Sight beyond sight.
No.
Keep it over here, right?
Yeah.
It's not sharp, but there's rules with it. And it comes with a stand. The mount is a stand like that with the Eye of Thundera on a shelf. Really good.
That is
Cool,
sick.
isn't it?
That's amazing.
It's that and He-Man. That's what
Yeah, He-Man.
only one. That is
seen that,
ever. That is the Stargate dagger. That's rare.
That's
That
the
is.
proper one, yeah.
I've had a few rare things in my time. For 14 years, I had one last year, which was the Shards of Narsil. One of those from America, licensed, vintage. You can't get it now. Signed by Elijah Wood.
Wow.
I've only seen one of them in 14 years. I had a limited edition Ramirez sword from Highlander. Only one I've ever seen, and I got it off another dealer I know. That was signed by Christopher Lambert, 24 karat gold silver on it, really rare. I regretted selling that.
So do you make these then?
No, buy them all in. Yeah, so what I was going to show you is the
So you know the blade sword, does that handle?
there's another one I've got as well. I haven't got that with me. The other one I've kept, it's the Ra, it's a finger dagger.
Yeah.
I've never seen nothing like that before. That one I'm selling.
I was gonna say I've never seen.
The United Cutlery from America, it's the best you can get.
That is wicked.
Any serious collectors that buy United Cutlery,
My lord.
feel the weight of that. Sharp ones you get.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't
That's
know.
it.
It's sharp as well, isn't it?
It's definitely a people thing.
Definitely.
Huh? Yeah.
You're in the wrong place.
Nah, I think we in the right place, homie.
You've got things like the Alice in Wonderland knife, the Rumpelstiltskin dagger that comes with a stand.
That's what caught me
They
straight
come,
away.
they come with a stand of Riddick blades.
They do? What
Yeah.
kind of stand did it come
It's a wooden stand and it makes it stand.
Rewind that for me,
was
please.
12 grand.
12 grand for a blade sword.
That was
Official from the movie. From the movie,
Yeah,
he said
but it
his
doesn't
friend had a
go
blade,
fixed.
the blade from Blade
I've got the
movie
grade.
replica, not replica, on prop on set.
That's from America, that's rare. You don't
4
see
grand, but then he sold it for
Anyone's
12.
got them.
Wow.
I got
I'll
a
get me one of them.
expendable.
Vips is,
First thing that caught my eye.
Vips is getting the Riddick blade. Caught in a zombie apocalypse, yeah? We've got the Rambo knife, the Riddick blade, and a collection of...
Yeah, but I haven't got the balls to fight. I'll be too scared. I'll be the first one to turn into a zombie.
They had the, what was it? Just saying now, they had the thingy sword, the Dolph Lundgren sword from Expendables signed by him.
No way!
I met him and I got a one-off picture I had done.
Yeah.
I met the co-creator of Iron Man with Stan Lee.
No
I
way.
got a picture signed by him.
See him? His
I
jaw
know.
almost dropped.
I did.
He's the he's the Iron Man fan.
He built his own Iron Man helmet.
How about I do them as a full metal Iron Man gauntlet, Infinity Gauntlet. Full metal, not the plastic ones you see. All the stones light up, it's electronic.
Wow.
It moves. It's like a big rubber glove.
So where are you based? Because I think we need to do a whole vlog just on this.
We haven't got a shop. We travel to all the Comic Cons around
okay,
the UK.
yeah.
So you go to swordkings.co.uk.
Yeah.
You'll have everything
We're
on there.
putting a list of all the shows. We've got 70 odd shows this year. I'm on number 24.
Wow.
And
We need to go.
14 years in the business. This is the busiest year.
I tell you what, if you had a permanent shop
Optimus Prime. Yeah, yeah. But seriously, Optimus. Why's Bumblebee just sat there?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
That.
That's it.
That's it. Comic Con, Melton, Mowbray, and a whole bunch of stuff.
That was a wicked first mini Comic Con.
Yep,
Not my biggest.
not the biggest,
It was nice.
but nonetheless, a good one.
Yeah.
Now, it's time for us to unwrap what's in there. See what me and Vipul got. We paid,
Got the keys.
yep, £20 for this Marvel and DC mystery bag. Cully got all them blades. All right,
Sweet. We've extended the
Alright.
gimbal. Okay.
all right.
Come on, G2.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's a box in a box.
Oh,
Anything in the bag? Anything in the bag?
Yep, just a leaflet. 2024 Comic Con.
So how many items? It says minimum.
Minimum
So
of
it's minimum.
6. Okay. I got a Rambo knife in there if anybody
Use my
needs to crack that
my
box
sword
open.
king. It was supposed to be. Oh, pretty sharp.
All right. Okay. Let's see.
There we go. Come back a little bit.
Okay, so we got. If you open the bag, we'll put it in
Yeah.
the bag. So we got what's this?
Pencils.
There you go. Kids are sorted.
Wakanda forever.
Could have at least got thingy. Suri. Oh, we got a mug.
Spidey Man.
Harley Quinn bobblehead.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got Aquaman.
What is it?
Collectible coin.
Coin.
Collectible coin.
Okay.
We got a Groot hold down thing.
Hold down thing.
Yeah.
Batman.
And we got Logan characters. Old Man Logan and
yeah.
Oh, but it's
X1, is it?
roadblock style.
Headlocks.
I know you can interchange the bodies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then issue
Ooh.
13.
Legend of Hawkman. Nobody cares. Oh,
No,
sorry.
Who's Hawkman?
DC universe, a Batman universe.
Now, the main question is this: was it worth £20?
No.
Well, the mug says £6.
Right. So if this was that locker room thing now, and you'd cracked open the locker, let's see how much you'd sell each item for.
Right. £2.
Yep.
£2.
Or
£2. Say it's
£3.
£3.
Yeah.
£1.
you'd have to pay someone to get rid of that.
Oh no, let's say a pound. Let's say a pound.
Minus equity.
Let's say £2 for that.
We lost that. £6.
Yep.
Oh,
So
we've got the price on it.
Yeah.
That's from Game.
£4.
all right. So
Damn.
6, 7, 8. That's £9 just on the cup and
That's
the
a tenner.
pens. Yeah.
That's a tenner just on the cup and the pencils.
And how much is that? Is there a price label on the back of that?
$9.99.
Well, there you go.
And there's 20.
You're in money just there. We got money.
money.
Alright.
It's empty all out. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kitt's getting a bit more. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
There's Kitt. Kitt's getting a bit of love.
We'll put in our other bag, but we'll do that later.
That's my favourite one.
Yeah.
Me, Hawk, One Piece,
Wicked.
Boyz, and Street Fighter.
Nah.
Yeah, I do loads, but you can't really class this one unless you can. So, because it's so straight. It's not even the right shield for this outfit.
No, it's
It's
supposed to be
double
the
shields. Yeah, I've
the-
got them, but the kids are like, where are your shields?
You understand that one, don't you?
Yeah, but other committees have actually, like, the core thing that actually expands and everything. They're heavy, that's the thing, because they've got mechanisms.
Wicked.
But yeah, for the kids.